Hi everyone, today we're going to make my Cypriot style olive bread, which I have a video for, but we're going to make it slightly different. This will be a no knead recipe. You will need 270 grams of white bread flour and 130 grams of brown bread flour. To that, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. Don't put it as close to the salt as I did. Mix that all together and add a teaspoon of dried mint. Mix that together and then add 80 grams of kalamata olives, which I've halved. Mix that into the flour. This will stop them sinking when you cook it. Then add half a diced white onion and mix that into the flour also. 400 milliliters of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything together. It should resemble a shaggy kind of dough. Cover that with cling film and set aside for 3 hours. After 3 hours, the dough should have come together and look something like this. Then dust a work surface with some flour and add the dough onto it. Dust the top with flour as well. Turn it over about 10 times until it comes together nicely, and then set it aside in a bowl lined with greaseproof paper. Leave that for 30 minutes. Heat a cast iron pot at 210 fan. Then add the greaseproof paper and the dough into the cast iron pot and put the lid on. Return that to the oven and bake that for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the pot from the oven, take the lid off, remove the greaseproof paper and add the bread back into the pot. Cook that uncovered for another 10 minutes. The end result should look something like this: beautiful golden brown, crispy top, light and airy in the middle. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. It may take a little bit of time, but it's totally worth it. Enjoy, and I will see you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.